What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a super quick look at Vechain here, and as we can see, over the past few days we have seen a little bit of a bounce off the bottom, with Bitcoin finally, having a little bit of a bounce, breaking out of some resistances, heading back up towards that 50k mark. And we have seen this, a similar thing happening with Vechain here, where we've basically, we've kind of put in a range very similar to Bitcoin really, with the top of the range being up at around this 10-cent level, and you can see we've come down something like this basically, where we put the top and the bottom of the range in, obviously this massive wick to the downside. We come down, we kind of bounce into the downside, something like this. We're under a resistance as well. There is actually one resistance looking something like this, which we still haven't broken for Vechain, but it's lagging behind but doing a similar thing to Bitcoin. What we've seen for Bitcoin is something like this with this descending triangle, and we have actually seen Bitcoin breaking out of it now and trying to back test before coming up to the top of that range that Bitcoin put in. And you can see Vechain is trying to do something similar here. You can see that we've actually broken out this resistance here and back tested it, and now looking like we are trying to clear our way away from that resistance of the downtrend that we have been in, looking something like this. You can see quite clearly that we have been in a bit of a downtrend for a while. If I can just make this a bit more apparent, you can see here we've got that breakout and the back test of this kind of area here at the bottom of the range, and actually somewhat at the bottom of this resistance here. Looking like we're finally starting to get a bit of a breakout and a move to the upside for Vechain if that's the case. Obviously Vechain underperforming a lot recently, but we do think longer term it's going to be totally fine. In the short term, still looking weak in our opinion in the market, but Bitcoin heading back towards that 50k mark, we're probably going to see altcoins start to do something like this, where they come back up at least to the top of that kind of range they've been forming for a while here. We've seen Vechain, it's mostly just going sideways, kind of grinding its way to the downside, but mostly just going sideways, waiting for a bit of a renaissance for Bitcoin. And Bitcoin probably going to be bouncing to the upside fairly soon, which will probably drag Vechain to the upside. So not much to say apart from the fact that Vechain having a little bit of a bounce today. And in terms of short-term price predictions, obviously if we move to the downside here, heading down towards that 0.23 retracement level again at the bottom of the range at around 7.6 to 7.7 cents. And moving to the upside, as we've said multiple times, we want to see Vechain come up and break this downtrend, come up to a new, basically make a higher high, higher low, and higher high like this. Come up to this level at around 8.7 cents and head back up towards that 10-cent level we've been talking about. A very key level that Vechain needs to recapture fairly soon in order to reverse this trend and get back going up through the levels that we want to see. And then as we said at the start of the video, we do think, short term Vechain not looking so good, but we do think long term this is a crypto that is going to do well. Most likely going to be looking at 50 cents to $1 by the end of the bull run. Once Bitcoin does start to head basically up over 100k, we believe that will probably happen in the next 6 months or so with these extended cycles, and Vechain's probably going to benefit from that. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto support is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.